Ryan Bishop, Operations Manager at Precision Machining Company Rose Integration, speaking about reporting in Merlin.
So since we've had Memex installed, all the information is readily available now for us. So some of the reports that come out of that,
How many machines are you installing?
it's 30 machines that's installed right now. It's been running for approximately a year and a half, I think, for that. So there's a lot of reporting features that come out of it automatically. So there's a lot of non-conforming graphs that I can instantly print. Lets me know how many rejects I've had over the different months for different cells. You can customize each of any of the reports, which is fantastic. They're very user friendly, and with the multitude of reports in there, there's probably 1,000 different variations by customizing it the way that you need. As more of a rear view mirror look, so we're looking at all of the previous day's data, but now we've driven it back from looking at, okay, well, we lost money at the end of the month when we do our reports, and trying to drive that back to now we're within 24 hours of not having something run good and start working on that data. And going forward, we want to have a team of people that can look at the data real time and then go attack the job while it's actually running. Memex is our primary tool. It's our primary communication tool. It's what initiates all of our activities throughout the day. It starts off by a board meeting, so there's a milling section and a lathe section. Each of those have a team meeting at 9 o'clock with their team, and they review the reports. So the reports that are typically up there are the OEE reports, the non-conforming reports, and the downtime summary reports. And then they ask and they talk to the operators, what are they running, what are they having issues with, why is there so much setup here, was there so many non-conforming made yesterday. The one real-time trigger that we do use on this is the non-conforming. So if it hits a certain threshold, then we're automatically at the machine right away. So that's been a good tool. But it drives all of our morning starting activities. We have automated all of the reports in the morning, so every morning all of these reports for each of the different cells, which I have 4 cells, are automatically generated and emailed out to the team leaders and myself, and they're printed and posted daily. Another great function is the behind the scenes email, so that the operator doesn't know what's being emailed out. So if the machine sits for 20 minutes, I get an email saying, hey, I'm sitting, come help me. Or setup's gone too long. We've been stuck on idle for too long. So those were fantastic tools, especially curbing the night shift behavior, because as soon as I see an email down for 20 minutes and then 15 minutes later I'm sitting, another 45 minutes later and down again for another 20 minutes, I call in, and I find out that either there's a tool broken or something's wrong with the job, they don't have the skill level, more than likely they're right on too many breaks. So once you start calling about that, you can curb that behavior pretty quickly and increase your productivity. I think we saw probably about a 20% increase just by installing Memex and having everybody aware that everything can be accounted for now. So it's been a fantastic tool. It's saved me a lot of man hours and a lot of frustration.
Right. Thank you. Thanks, Ryan. Thanks for sharing your story.